McPherson from the agency, and I'm just outside my latest listing at 22 Dolphin Crescent in Taranganba. A stone's throw from Cedar Park Shopping Complex, this low maintenance 3-bedroom 1-bathroom is one to inspect. Let's check it out. Recently refurbished throughout, I absolutely love the neutral palettes selected. My favourite thing though has to be the functional floor plan and the ample entertaining and living spaces. So guys, there you have it for 22 Dolphin Crescent in Taranganba. If low maintenance living and a central location is what you're looking for, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd love to talk to you.